Hey, what is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. I wanted to show you right quick the setups for today, for this morning on the VIP. Spotted this nice order block on a 15-minute and 5-minute right here. There was a nice push also. The market actually activated. We had a problem with some of the students, and because some of the brokers that of course are out there, sometimes the price that the banks give to the brokers are different from each other. All right, so what happened here, the market, even here on TradingView, this broker, the entry did not get activated, but on my broker on XTB it did get activated. But I have another broker also called Hot Forex. That one was not activated, so the market pretty much activated some of them. If this is going to happen sometimes, where because it's not your fault, there's nothing to do with the type of account you have or anything. Remember that every broker has different prices, right? The prices that you're seeing here, the spread basically is always different from broker to broker. So not all the time we're going to have the same thing. So that's why sometimes we can also miss the trades. You might see that maybe on TradingView is actually activating the entry, but when you go to your actual broker on MT4, you see like, hey, what the heck happened? Why didn't it get activated? That's because of the broker, because of the price. Okay, so it did happen to some of my students today. That is very fortunate. Yeah, unfortunate, I'm sorry, to happen, but there's nothing we can do there, guys. That could happen, but at least, as I mentioned, the idea is that we caught it. Okay, the idea for this is that we understand what we're doing. Nice order block formation. The price did went down to activate the buy limit order, and boom, skyrocketing after that. So nice. Right now, this is a current trade that is running right now at this point, trying to aim to a previous order block, next order block on a 4-hour potential order block. This was a nice clean drop right here, so this could be a nice point of return. Maybe the market will try to reach that area right before maybe coming back down, pulling back. I'm sure it will. Right now you see the market is very bullish. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, about 9 candles going to the upside, very strong 4-hour candles. So at some point we're going to have a pullback. At some point definitely we're going to have a pullback. Let's see if it's going to start happening right now. Of course, in this big push, this is a huge risk to reward. This is a 1 to 10. Right now we're about 1 to 5 risk to reward, so securing profits all the way up. Really nice. I wanted to show you also on NASDAQ. This is basically the setup on NASDAQ was pretty much the same. NASDAQ and S&P 500 repeated exactly the same thing. Look at this. There was a nice clean breakout of a structure, big momentum candle, retesting and continuation. By the way, I did not even see this one as well. There was a nice order block right here that in fact got activated, and market after that immediately pushed up. So it was a nice order block right here. This was at 2:30 in the morning. Of course, I didn't see it at that time. I'm sleeping, but there was a nice opportunity during London session, before London session, by the way. Yeah, because this London session opens at 3 a.m. in the morning in my country. So that's basically it. This was the 15-minute order block that was created right there. So price pushed up, then it came back down, back when we were now in New York session. When the New York session opened, the price was coming back inside of that order block, so it started pushing up, and with the New York Stock Exchange opening, boom, ended up actually skyrocketing, hitting a 1 to 7 risk to reward. First target was here, of course. Next target on the next order block, because it's also creating a potential 4-hour order block. Will it stop there, the market? What is going to happen? We still have 2 hours and 41 minutes for that 4-hour candle to close. Let's see how it's going to close, if it's gonna just go through it, or is it gonna show reaction because we could have a potential sale coming in soon. Let's see how it's going to react in there. S&P 500, as I mentioned, was pretty much the same, mirroring. It was a nice order block created on a 15-minute time frame. Price barely activated, barely touched it, and boom, skyrocketing after that. Aiming next psychological level. Let's see if there is a 4-hour. Yep, it's basically the same. It's mirroring. It's just that this candle seems to be a little bigger. So we could have a potential order block right there. Now for sales, preparing for sales soon. What do you think? Is it actually going to drop now? Is it going to continue crashing? Price is very bearish right now. We have a huge support here. Let me change the color of this. Okay, so we have a huge strong support, resistance. So market could be reaching that level. Could definitely be reaching that level before reacting and going back down again. Okay, because remember, things are still bad. Things are still bad. This push up to the upside, it could be just a little maybe correction after this huge drop right here. And if you look at it, in fact, the price could even pushed up a little bit more. Hold on, I just clicked something on my desk and this went up. So okay, so the market could even get up high, you know, still trying to correct some of this huge meltdown. Maybe we'll correct and then perhaps dropping or falling again sometime later. All right, things are still bad, as I mentioned. Inflation, we still have the inflation, the interest rates increased, so things are still bad. What I think is what is happening right now, yes, this could be just a little pullback, maybe getting back to the zone, psychological level, order block right there. Yes, we could be seeing, if it's not today, of course, will most likely be tomorrow, where we could have a potential drop again coming in soon, right? So that's basically it, guys. Pretty much all we did today. Let's see if the entry on US30 will continue pushing up, or is it now going to go down and stopping us out. Let's see how it's going to play out. All right, if you want to know how we are actually trading now, please, you know, you can follow me on my Telegram group, on my free Telegram group. You will find the description, the link in the description below. You can also go on my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You will find out there that I'm offering a bundle which comes with a course, a mentorship, and a VIP signal group for life. I'm starting to teach now order blocks, including it into my strategy. So it's definitely a killing strategy right now with this thing. So again, if you're new on the channel, please subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. It motivates me to keep posting content like this so you can have the best content and, you know, learning a lot from these videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.